Banang yo gijing tip gijing shampang beper lengbak kinong wat benia Katana Directorate of Extension Education jangka Central Agricultural University CAU Impal lembat ka ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Zone 6 Guwahati bat ka Zone 7 na Umïam kilasdang ya ka program kabalai sngi ya kablatip kum ke interface with award-winning KVKs Building of Success. Ya kablapan long ha ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences ha CAU Umiam. Ha kini ke program lawan banishim benta do Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya u Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Kongsan ha ka jingidon lang u Dr. VP Chahal ADG AE ke ICAR New Delhi u Dr. AK Singh DDG AE ke ICAR New Delhi u Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor ke CAU Impal lembat kibai-kibai. Habakran kum Kongsan u Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u lapan pau kejing kemen bansaki yakni program ke Kongsan bat ke beneng konge hagari ke balong kum kejing kenduk lang jong ki start science na kelengari hadin kejing yo kejing itu ke Bakerpang yaki kam syakri jong ki Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK. Ulang banalor kejing yo kejing itu ke Bakerpang halor ki kam syakri jong inawat benya. Mereka longpat ke Bakam Kongsan bagi KVK kinangla ban pen scam bat ban peniar syuk-syuk gejing syakri ban pen mentoy gipat nong rap hakari hibrok kawai kam tame akatan dalam mingi. Ulang syuk-syuk bagi Sarkar Meghalaya hakini ki kendiat snem kalashim kia bah ban pai kemat gejing gipat nong rap kibam syamlas yo satya kilat jing rap ban kentil ya kayo kokot jongki. Kumta kini ke Sarkar kelas tangi program beper kum ke Focus Plus yang tak ke mission lakadong ha ka baleng ba kini ke program la sakhi biginong rep gi ojing mentosh ka de kam tam ke jing gentiu ya ka yok kokot jongki ulong syo bola kerpat ya bro kinong wat benia kiban se shimbenta kini ke jing tai leng ba ke program ha CAU ba ke jing kran ne ke jing tai baro kide bandon ni ke jing tho ki babiang ne bandon kata ke documentation kenang banla ban kentiu ki kamrap bat ke bansa sampat igini ke bala bu jing tho shkibe ki jela bat ke skol ba beper kerang bakan long ka jing mentoy ya baro.
Now farmers end up doing a lot of things on their own, some traditional practices that they did, some which may be actually very good because it's been happening for decades and decades and centuries, practices that are traditional to our people. But there may be something that we could improve. And institutes like these can actually help the farmers do that. So the idea is to really ensure that we are able to bring in a scientific approach to the farming practices that we have. Not to say that we bring in practices that we just tell the farmers, yehi karna hai aapko. Wo galat hoga. I don't believe in bringing a practice from outside and forcing the people to do it and changing their entire way of doing things. That would be incorrect and unfair. The right way would be to see the existing processes that are there, the existing products that are there, the existing ways and mechanisms of how people are working, bring in the scientific knowledge that you have, try to map it on top of each other and come out with a better strategy, keeping all these factors in mind. That is the real challenge. It's very easy to come in and say, oh, we need this genetic processed seed that we put in, so karo. It's very simple. But I think that will not help us ultimately achieve the right, sustainable model of farming. We have to keep all these factors in mind while we do this. But I am a firm believer that there has to be a systematic and a scientific approach to everything.